Hello, today I'm gonna show you a new kitchen appliance by Aukey Home. It's the Alpha Pro Air Fryer. This is a great all-in-one smart fryer and grill. This kitchen appliance will make your life easier as you cook and bake amazing meals and great breads for your family and friends. So, here we go! The Alpha Pro Air Fryer is more than a conventional air fryer. It not only has an elegant and smart design that will look great in your kitchen, but it has a smart cooking system that delivers great cooking and baking results. I love the color and appearance of this kitchen appliance, and this 120-degree viewing window that lets you keep an eye on the cooking process from start to end, which is something that most air fryers in the market lack. The Alpha Pro Air Fryer has a secure, easy-to-access button that opens up the lid automatically when pressed and allows you to quickly access your meals at any point in the cooking process. The digital control panel allows you to access 8 preset functions: Max Crisp, Air Fry, Air Broil, Air Grill, Air Roast, Bake, Dehydrate, and the most commonly used function used in air fryers, Reheat. You can also customize your meals and set the time and temperature according to your own preferences. The Alpha Pro Air Fryer has a 5.8 quart capacity, which is ideal to prepare meals and breads for the whole family, and an easy-to-handle basket to remove the cooked meals even when the basket is still hot. The basket and crisper plate or grill plate are dishwasher safe for an easy cleanup. Today, I am gonna bake one of my favorite recipes, sourdough scones. This is a very easy and delicious recipe. If you want to watch this full recipe, check the link on the description of this video or check out my website. I usually make this recipe using my food processor to speed up the process, but you can make it by hand as well. One of the things that make this recipe delicious is the addition of almonds and dry fruits. And since this recipe uses only sourdough starter as a leavening agent, I like to dissolve it with the heavy cream and add it at the last part of the process. Then, just mix the ingredients well and let the dough ferment overnight in the fridge. The next morning, form and cut the scones with the help of a bench scraper. Brush them with heavy cream on all the surface of the dough. Add turbinado sugar and the scones will be ready to be baked. I am selecting the preset to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 14 minutes. So I am placing the scones in the basket that doesn't have to be preheated. One of the characteristics that I really love about this Alpha Pro Air Fryer is how you can see the entire baking process through the viewing window. After 14 minutes, the scones look ready. And when I opened the Alpha Pro Air Fryer, I realized that they indeed are ready. It is so easy to lift up the basket and remove the scones, or you can also just remove them with a spatula. To add more scones to the hot basket, use a bench scraper and bake them again using the same method. In the end, you will have delicious and flaky scones for the family. Now, I want to try baking a sourdough pizza for my kids. My kids love to eat pizza often, and sourdough cheese pizza is a great option for them. This is a 50% hydration dough that I prepared last night using only all-purpose flour, 20% sourdough starter, 5% olive oil, and 3% sea salt. My kids love their pizza with the pizza sauce I prepare at home. Good, Parmesan grated cheese, and mozzarella cheese. For this recipe, I will preheat the Alpha Pro air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes, and then I will place the pizza in it. After 11 minutes, the pizza looks ready. So I get it out. The crust is well cooked and the cheese is cooked on point. The Alpha Air Pro fryer has done an excellent job baking my pizza. Now I want to try the air roast preset, so I preheat the Alpha Pro air fryer at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes. Then I add 4 pieces of chicken that I have only prepared with a lemon pepper dry rub and some olive oil. After 15 minutes, I check the internal temperature and I realize that my chicken needs another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the chicken is cooked to the optimal temperature. It is crispy in the outside and juicy in the inside. The last recipe that I want to try is to air roast a New York strip steak. So I preheat the Alpha Pro air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes. Then I place the New York strip steak, seasoned with salt and pepper, on the hot grill plate. It took only 15 minutes for my steak to be cooked to a medium temp, and the meat was cooked evenly and delicious. The steak was very juicy and satisfying. Even the fat of the steak was well rendered. I was very impressed. All in all, this Alpha Pro air fryer is a great option for baking and cooking. But you can do much more, like dehydrate, or instead of using a microwave, you can use it as a better and healthier way to reheat your food. And at the current price of $99.99, it is a great option for your kitchen. Check the description of this video for an exclusive discount code and more info about this product. I really hope this is a useful video for you. If you like this video, please click on the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I have a new video every week. Thank you for watching.